Hello guys, today current affairs from the Hindu newspaper. First, the proposed international container transshipment port under the Great Nicobar project is planned at the answer is C. Galathia Bay. Second, viability gap funding is the answer is C. One-time grant for economically justified but financially unviable projects. Third, El Nino is associated with the answer is B. Weakening of Indian monsoon conditions. Fourth, Northeastern Council was established in 1971. Fifth, which two languages were sought to be included in the age schedule? The answer is B. Khasi and Garo. Sixth, Ebola virus diseases primarily spreads through, the answer is C, direct contact with infected body fluids. Seventh, Ebola virus diseases belongs to which category? The answer is B, viral hemorrhagic fever. Eighth, census is in India is conducted under which act? The answer is A, Census Act 1948. Ninth, climate finance taxonomy aims to, the answer is B, define but qualifies as green investment. 10th, green bonds are primarily issued to finance, the answer is C, environmentally sustainable projects. 11th, blended finance refers to, the answer is A, mixing public and private capital. 12th, proposed annual environmental survey of India is modeled on, the answer is C, economical survey of India. 13, ecosystem based adaptation uses C, ecosystems to reduce climate risk. 14th, Mishti scheme is related to, the answer is C, mangrove restoration. 15, carbon border adjustment mechanism is associated with, the answer is C, European Union. 16, CBAM is intended to prevent, the answer is B, carbon leakage. 17, biochar is mainly used for, the answer is B, soil improvement and carbon sequestration. 18, NATO headquarters is located in Brussels. 19, Article 5th of NATO deals with, the answer is B, collective defense. 20, Europe largest nuclear power plant is, answer is C. 21, the proposed Tirupati space city is being developed in, the answer is C, Andhra Pradesh. 22, managed retreat refers to, the answer is B, planned relocation from climate risk areas. 23, nature based solution focus on, answer is C, ecosystem restoration and sustainable management.